Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add someone on your WhatsApp application. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to add someone on your WhatsApp application, firstly open your WhatsApp application on your device and click on message icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on a new contact option. Here, you need to enter the contact details of a person you want to add on WhatsApp. Enter a person's first and last name and his phone number. You can also enter other contact details like email, company name, home address or birthday and click on Save option. This is how you can add someone on WhatsApp application quickly and easily just in few steps. I hope you liked the video. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.